mission station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Isidro Reyna. We're continuing our summer road trip, showing off some of the sights at NASA's Johnson Space Center. Today, we're in Mission Control Houston. Since 1965, Mission Control has been the helm of America's human space flights. With the permanent human presence aboard the International Space Station, flight control teams of experienced engineers, medical officers, and technicians are on duty 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Working with counterparts overseas, flight controllers keep a constant watch on the crew's activities and monitor space systems, crew health, and safety. 3 new crew members are scheduled to launch to the International Space Station on Friday, July 28th. NASA astronaut Randy Bresnik, Sergei Ryazanskiy of Roscosmos, and Paolo Nespoli of the European Space Agency will launch from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. The Expedition 52-53 crew will spend more than 4 months together aboard the orbital complex before returning to Earth in December. The arriving crew will be welcomed on board by Expedition 52 Commander Fyodor Yurchikhin of Roscosmos and flight engineers Peggy Whitson and Jack Fisher of NASA. The soon-to-be 6 crew members of Expedition 52 will continue to work on hundreds of experiments in biology, biotechnology, physical science, and earth science aboard the International Space Station. This week on station, the crew worked on the capillary structures experiment, which studies water recycling and carbon dioxide removal. Current life support systems on the International Space Station require special equipment to separate liquids and gases, including rotating or moving devices that could cause contamination if they break or fail. The capillary structures investigation studies a new method using structures of specific shapes to manage fluid and gas mixtures. The investigation studies water recycling and carbon dioxide removal, benefiting future efforts to design lightweight, more reliable life support systems for future space missions. This week's question comes from Raj. He wants to know what some astronaut pastimes are aboard the station. Well, living in space is not just all work. Crew members do get a break from their busy schedules. Days or even months of straight work are certain to cause stress. That's why flight planners on Earth schedule time for the crew to relax, exercise, and have fun. Like a lot of people on Earth, astronauts usually get weekends off while on the station. On any given day, crew members can watch movies, play music, read books, play cards, and talk to their families. They have an exercise bike, a treadmill, and other equipment to help keep their bodies in shape. Some crew members use their free time to photograph Earth, taking stunning images above Earth's atmosphere. Keep sending your questions using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.